Hey, what's up everyone? This video is just going to be a full video demonstration for the forum generator. Basically what the forum generator does is, let's say you have a new forum and you want to populate it with threads and posts and members to make it look like it's more active. Obviously, if someone comes to your forum and they see that there's no users, there's no posts, there's no threads, chances are they're not going to want to be a part of a community that doesn't exist. So that's where the forum generator comes in. Now, the way this works is extremely simple. It doesn't matter if you've never used any sort of internet marketing software before, you will be able to use this. So let's get started. All right, so once you open the software, the first thing that you're going to want to do is over in your forum manager, this tab right here, what you're going to want to do is click the add button down here, and then you're going to want to type in the URL of your forum. So you can see over here, I'll just refresh the page. You can see this is the forum that we're going to be using for our demonstration. You can see there's no posts, no threads. So what you want to do is you want to copy this part of your URL. Don't copy the index.php part or anything like that. You just want this highlighted part right here, and make sure that the / is included. So copy that and then put that in for the URL. Now where it says username and password, you want to type in the administrator login credentials for that forum. So for this, we'll just type in our information. You're not going to see this because it's going to be blurred out in the video. And then down here, you just select what type of site or forum that it is. And obviously for ours, it's vBulletin. So we'll just choose the VBB, and then you click OK. And you can see it adds it over here. So now over in the project tab, so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on create project. And what this does is this is where you set up the details for your project. So let's say that you have a forum about it's going to be about iPhone repair. What you do, you just give your project a name. So for the demo, we'll just call it iPhone repair. Now, where it says keyword, you do not type in your keyword right here. What you're going to want to do is go over to Yahoo Answers, and right here where it says what are you looking for, you just type in your keyword. So for our demo, it would be iPhone repair. Hit search, and then the first thing you want to do is click right here where it says newest, and that's going to filter your results to show the most recent ones at the top. You can see this one, it was made 9 hours ago, this one was 17 hours ago, and so on. So now you'll notice over here to the left you can refine your search. So if let's say you only want questions that have at least 4 to 10 answers, then you just choose that over here and click apply. Once you're done customizing your search, after you click apply, you're going to want to copy this entire URL that's in the address bar. So we'll copy that, and then you're going to want to put that where it says keyword in the project. Right here where it says list account, you just type in the administrator credentials for your forum. So again, this will be blurred out. So you can't see our info that we're using for the demo. Now, for this, make sure that you use a / to separate the username from the password. Once you have it typed in, just click add, and then from this drop-down menu, you'll see your credentials in the proper format. So just make sure that you choose that. And then down here you see where it says get from page. What this means is back on Yahoo Answers, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can see how many pages there are. So let's say you only want to scrape from pages 1 to 5. Then over here in the project, you just put in get from page 1 to 5. You set how many times it should retry if a post fails. We'll just do 3 for the demo. And then down here in the option part, just choose your site from the drop-down menu, and then you choose the category that you want to populate, the sub-forum. So for this, we'll just do test forum 1. Now where it says leech, this is where you choose how many questions that you want to scrape and how many answers of each question do you want to scrape. So for the demo, we'll just do 20 topics and 5 answers from each one. So we'll hit save. And then what I like to do is once I save it, I'll open it back up by clicking Edit Project. Because sometimes, as you can see, it won't select, it won't save that account. So you just have to go in, choose it from the drop-down menu again, and then click Save one more time. And now it's ready to go. So over on our forum, you can see, I'll refresh the page. You can see there's no posts in our test forum 1. That's the category that we're going to be using. So all we do is we'll click on Start, and you can see it's going and it's collecting all of the first 5 pages. And what it's going to do is it'll create the username, and then it'll post the first question or the original question from Yahoo Answers as a thread, and then it will create the next username, and they're going to go and they're going to post the answers in that thread. So you can see it's only been running a couple of seconds. We'll just come over here, hit refresh. We'll just open up this one. Here is the original question. You can see how much does Apple charge to repair my iPhone 4 screen. So yeah, over here you can see it'll post that original question, and then it will go and it will post the answers to that original question, and it'll scrape all of this from Yahoo Answers. And again, that's just right now. They will be adding additional sites that you can scrape from and get your content from in the future. But yeah, we'll just go back to the test forum, and now you can see it's going and populating your forum. And again, you can use any keyword that you want. If you have a forum about iPhone repair and you want to populate it with things related to iPhone repair and stuff like that, that's all you would do. So as you can see, it's really that easy. That's all it takes to go and get your campaign started up and start populating your forum today. So give it a shot. I'm sure that you'll be 100% satisfied. So again, thanks for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video demonstration, and we look forward to working with you. Thanks.